Hello everyone, this is Corbin here, and today what we are doing is some Scratch programming. If you don't know what Scratch is, it's a programming language meant for kids 10 to 12, but now a programming language meant for all ages. The first panel that we are working on is motion. The first block we are working on here is move 10 steps. If you click the block, the cat will move up 10 steps. You can also click the number to make it go a smaller number of steps or a bigger number of steps. The next two blocks are turn right 15 degrees and turn left 15 degrees. If you click it, it'll turn right 15 degrees, and if you click turn left 15 degrees, it'll turn left 15 degrees. And you can also change the number if you want to a bigger number or a smaller number. Now the next block is point in direction 90. You can also click the pull down bar to make it turn left. You can make it turn up, or you can make it turn down. Let's make it turn right for right now. Now we have the next block, point towards. You can make this one point towards the mouse pointer. Right now it's going to point towards it. So if I put the block down here and click it, it'll point down to my mouse pointer. The next block is go to X number and then Y number. So then we can make it go to the X or Y, because this works on the coordinate plane. As you can see, there are numbers right here that show your mouse X and Y coordinates. Let's make it go to, let's say 60 and then negative 60. Then it would go to the exact spot 60, negative 60 if you click on it. For right now, let's make it go to 0, 0. That's right smack in the middle. Then you click on it and it'll go to 0, 0. Now this one goes to the mouse pointer. Right now I can't show this one off, but if I click it, it'll try to go to my mouse pointer, but the cat cannot go out of this canvas. Now we have glide 1 second to X, Y number. So what this does is glides to a certain place. So if I put this to negative 60 and then put it to 60, it'll glide in 1 second to 60, negative 60, 60. If I click it, it's gonna glide right over there in 1 second. But if I bring the cat down right here, then to 5 seconds, then it will take longer, because it will do it in 5 seconds, which takes longer. See? Now we have change X by 10, and what this does is changes its X by 10. You may think it's the same thing as move 10 steps, but it's not. Because if you put this to, if you turn its degree to down maybe, then if you do move 10 steps, it will move down, and the move 10 steps only moves into the direction it's pointing in. But this one, it just moves its X by it. It doesn't matter about the direction. See? It just goes to by the X 10. But if you turn it to negative, then it will go back to the negative X axis. The second block is set X to. Now this is the same exact thing as go to X number, Y number, but instead you're only doing the X. So I can just turn the X only to 80. And it will turn only the X to 80. Now we have change Y by a number. It's the same exact thing as change X, but instead it changes its Y. See, it goes up, and then you can do the same thing, but just put a negative sign to make it go down. And we have the same exact thing as set X to 0, but instead it sets the Y. So I can put this to 100. And it'll go right there. Now we have if on edge bounce and set rotation style left to right. So if on edge bounce, what this does is if it's on the edge, it will bounce off. See, if I put it on this edge, on the edge of the screen, then it will just bounce off of it. And we have set rotation style left to right. So you can do it left to right. So if I do this, now if I turn it left, then it will turn left. But it would be upside down, and you might not want that. So if we click this to make it go left and right, now it points actually that way. And if we do right, then it'll point that way like that. But you cannot make it point up. See, I'm clicking, and you can't make it go down. You only can make it go left and right. Or you can do don't rotate at all. So you can't rotate it at all. You can't do it left. If you click it, you can't do it left or right or anything. Can't do anything to it at all. And we have all around. Now all around it just means that you can turn as many times as you want. You can just turn anywhere. That's all around. But yeah. That's motion. That's the motion panel. Next time we're gonna do looks. The looks panel, which is this purple one. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.